In this example, we have a frequency table that shows a person's gender versus the hand they write with. Kind of interesting. Never even thought about it, but here are some numbers for us. We're going to convert the table to a relative frequency table. So to do that, we're just going to use our calculator here, and we're going to take each position and we're going to divide that by the table total here. So we'll do 7 divided by 121. And we'll round here to the nearest tenth of a percent. So this one should be 5.8% if we round correctly. And again, you can round to whatever value you want. Nearest tenth is fine. Now we'll do males who are left-handed, 5 divided by 121. So that's about 4.1%. We'll do the column total. And this is going to represent all the people surveyed who are left-handed. So we'll do 9.9% here. These two should add up. They do. Next we'll do 46 divided by 121, and that is 38%. We'll do 63 divided by 121, and that is 52.1%. Next we'll do the column total here, 109. Oops, don't want two of those, just one division symbol is enough. And that'll be 90.1%. And if you add these up, you do get 90.1. Also, if we add these two together, the people who are left-handed and right-handed, well, that should be 100%, and you can add them up, and it is. So we could actually list 100% here also in this piece. 121 divided by 121 is 1, or 100%. Let's do the row totals here. So 53 divided by 121, and that's going to be 43.8. And so 43.8%, or 53, represents the amount of people who responded to the survey, or who you asked, who were female, both left and right. So that's just the percent, or excuse me, the number of female respondents, and that's the percent of them. We'll do 68 divided by 121 here, and we've got 56.2. So if you add those up, you get 100%. And we could also double check to add these to get 43.8, and that's true. And then 4.1 and 52.1 is 56.2. So everything is lining up as we expect it to. Let's answer some questions here, B through E. How many people surveyed said that they were right-handed? So this is people, and it's how many. It's not a percentage. How many people surveyed said they were right-handed? Well, that is going to be this column total, and that is 109. Again, not a percentage. And also, we want to list that total. We don't want to list just like 46, because that would only represent the females who were right-handed. We'd be leaving out the males. So we don't want to do that. How many people? What percentage of people surveyed are left-handed females? So we've got a percentage, so we're talking about relative frequency. Are left-handed females. So this is very specific. So left-handed is here, female is here. The number is 7. But the percentage is 5.8%. Very nice and easy once you've converted a two-way table into a frequency table, or excuse me, a relative frequency table. How many females were surveyed? That's the bottom question right here. Let me move this up a touch for you. How many females? So this is how many, and we want females were surveyed. So we don't want how many females were just left, or how many females were just right. We want the total, which is that row total, which is 53. And again, this is not a percent. Doesn't say relative frequency, doesn't say what percentage. Part E is a percentage, though. It says what percentage of people surveyed are right-handed. This is both male and female, so we're going to go to the right-handed column. We're going to go over here to 109. But we want the percentage. We've already calculated the percentage as being 90.1%.